I am NBA young boy. I am making music to listen to for all my people and boys out there that I like. I try on my music, can't stand the same mistake. I got like that. I go out and drop all my story that I see. Wherever I live, I rap about it, and I got it. I'm a young nigga who be hustling. I'm the one who got put in the Lord help me. I'm so that no one can test it. It was a hard time, we were just kids. Now on the flip side, I was blah. You just did that little thing here, bro. So whatever you do, I just get the song, getting it, and I rest up in the section when niggas got put up in coffins, Lord help me. I feel like you're the only one that can help me. And my songs, even though I changed it up a bit, I got a little thing, I got my songs still. Things go for the better, sometimes they change, and there will always be brighter days. Things get better, yeah. Doesn't mean I don't take my drugs still, my promethazine. I drink promethazine, but things got better. That's gonna be the name of this one. Things got better, but doesn't mean I'm still not with the shits. I'm not with it. Yes. Doesn't mean things didn't get better, but I'm still with it. I'm about to do my promethazine. There's a lot that comes with the fame. If you want the fame, there is such thing as worth. Just like if we're some type of robots, worth. Cyborgs, worth. I am NBA young boy. I am making music to listen to for all my people and boys out there that I like. I try on my music, can't stand the same mistake. I got like that. I go out and drop all my story that I see. Wherever I live, I rap. We're more like cyborgs than robots, but I'm gonna put this one right here and based off everything I've seen in my day. It'll be nice. It'll come out nice. Try to do it accurate better as possible. You're getting used to it. I'm getting used to it. Everyone's getting used. Young boy's getting used to it. Kentrell. My name Kentrell, Deshaun, Golden, Alex. Cut it.